Are you looking for profitable products to sell online? Look no further. In this video, I'll share with you 7 high-profit products that you can sell on the internet. From beauty and health products to handmade crafts, we'll explore a range of options that are in demand and offer excellent potential for profit. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, read on to discover the products that could take your online business to the next level. Number 7. Beauty products. Beauty products are a popular item to sell online with high profit margins. These can range from makeup to skincare products, hair care, and even perfume. With the rise of social media and influencers, the demand for beauty products has only grown. By sourcing high-quality, unique products, you can attract a loyal customer base and charge premium prices. Additionally, with the option to sell directly to consumers or through retailers, the profit margins can be quite high. To succeed in the beauty industry, it's important to stay on top of the latest trends and innovations. You can do this by attending trade shows and staying in tune with social media trends. Building a strong brand image and marketing strategy is also crucial for success. Number 6. Health supplements. Health supplements have become increasingly popular over the years, especially with the growing health and wellness trend. This presents a great opportunity to sell supplements online with high profit margins. There are a wide variety of supplements to choose from, including vitamins, protein powders, and herbal remedies. By sourcing high-quality, all-natural supplements, you can attract customers who are looking for safe and effective ways to improve their health. When selling health supplements, it's important to be transparent about the ingredients and benefits of each product. This builds trust with customers and can lead to repeat business. Additionally, offering a subscription service can help to generate recurring revenue and increase profits. Number 5. Fashion accessories. Fashion accessories, such as jewelry, handbags, and sunglasses, are another great product to sell online with high profit margins. These items can be sourced from a variety of suppliers, including wholesalers and individual artisans. By offering unique and trendy accessories, you can attract customers who are looking for stylish and affordable ways to enhance their outfits. To succeed in the fashion accessory market, it's important to stay on top of the latest trends and offer a wide variety of products. You can do this by attending fashion shows and following popular fashion bloggers on social media. Number 4. Home decor. Home decor is a popular item to sell online with high profit margins. This can include a wide variety of products, such as decorative pillows, wall art, and furniture. By offering unique and high-quality decor items, you can attract customers who are looking to spruce up their homes. To succeed in the home decor market, it's important to offer a wide variety of products that appeal to different tastes and styles. This can include items that are trendy and seasonal, as well as classic and timeless pieces. Building a strong brand image and marketing strategy is also crucial for success. Number 3. Pet products. Pet products are another popular item to sell online with high profit margins. This includes everything from pet food to toys and accessories. With the growing trend of pet owners treating their pets like family members, the demand for high-quality pet products has only grown. To succeed in the pet product market, it's important to offer products that are safe and healthy for pets. This can include all-natural pet food and treats, as well as toys and accessories that are made with safe materials. Additionally, focusing on a specific niche, such as products for senior pets or for specific breeds, can help to set your brand apart from competitors. Number 2. Electronics. Electronics are a popular item to sell online with high profit margins. This includes everything from smartphones and laptops to smart home devices and gaming consoles. With the constant advancements in technology, there is always a demand for the latest and greatest electronics. To succeed in the electronics market, it's important to stay on top of the latest trends and innovations. This can include attending technology trade shows and following popular tech bloggers on social media. Number 1. Specialty foods. Specialty foods are another popular item to sell online with high profit margins. This can include everything from gourmet chocolates and cheeses to organic and gluten-free products. By offering unique and high-quality specialty foods, you can attract customers who are looking for a unique and premium culinary experience. In this video, we discussed 7 high-profit products you can sell online. Remember to do your research, find a niche, and create a strong marketing strategy to succeed. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends who might also be interested in starting an online business. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and advice on entrepreneurship and e-commerce. Thanks for watching.